It really can glam up your whole outfit just like that. I did not have such feeling. It was just like a new phone, okay? I really love this casing. It somehow couldn't detect the favorite folder through this phone. You can see that it's like shaking, shaking, shaking and shaking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the tagline, today I have something very exciting to share with you guys. That is my iPhone 12 Pro Max 512GB in gold color. Something that I've been waiting for almost close to 2 months, and it came just in time for my birthday. I'm so happy to share that with you guys. And shortly I'm going to share with you guys 5 things that I discovered, or 5 things that I like about the phone after I used for just about 1 week. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Esther. I upload video about fashion, beauty and lifestyle at least once per week. Do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing that I like about the phone obviously is the color, the gold color. And it is also because of the color that I waited for 2 months. If I were to go for the Pacific Blue color, which is also the new color for this release, I wouldn't have to wait for like 2 months, but because of the gold color, I insisted to have that, and that's why I waited for 2 months for this 512GB Pro Max gold color. But I think it's worth waiting because I really love the color, guys. This is the packaging given to me. Very simple packaging you have seen before, and it's very simple. It's only one phone inside and a cable, and that's about it. Obviously, I have unboxed this before. I've been using this for about 1 week. So this is a simple packaging with the one cable, and that's about it. Really love the gold color, guys. So the moment I saw this gold, I told myself that I would go for gold color. Why? Because I love the matte gold. You see, it is not like a glaring gold. It's not like a big bar, like gold bar. It looks like a gold bar, like a refined, polished gold bar. But it is not like a super glaring gold bar. You can see it is just shiny surrounding it, but behind it is like matte gold. It is not even gold, it's like a beige color. Beige color with a refined polished gold surrounding it. So I feel like it is like very luxurious. The color is very luxurious, and the moment I hold this phone, somehow, maybe I'm just too strange, somehow I feel like my whole outfit is like elevated. It really can glam up your whole outfit just like that. Just for this phone is like an accessory. So don't talk about the features, everything inside. This phone alone, this itself, when you look at it, is like an accessory for your outfit. Really love this color. Last time I was using Huawei Mate Pro 20, I believe. I did not have such feeling. It was just like a new phone, okay? I'm happy with the new phone. I'm happy with the camera, which I've been using for like close to 2 years. And with this phone, I got excited with just the appearance of it. Not about the features yet, but it's the appearance that I really like the gold color, guys. It's just me. Maybe I'm just too strange. It's like a piece of refined art gold in color. Really love it. During Black Friday, I managed to get some beautiful casings for this iPhone. Maybe in the next video, I will share that with you guys and a comparison. But maybe for now, I can just share with you guys, just to show you guys. There's one casing that I just received, one casing, and I really love this casing. This is what I ordered from Casetify during the Black Friday sale, and it really matches this phone perfectly. Really love this casing so much. Personalized casing, really love it. I got it during Black Friday sale. It is very refined, very polished and very luxurious. That's how I feel about this phone and this casing. I will talk more about this casing perhaps in the next video when I do a comparison together with other casings which I ordered during Black Friday sale as well, which have yet to arrive sadly, but soon they will be here. So that is first thing that I like about this phone, is the color, the gold color and the shape. It's like a piece of art. Love the gold color. Second thing that I like about this phone is finally my favorite folder is back. I'm not sure if you guys can understand me. I've been using this Huawei Mate Pro 20 for like 2 years. I enjoy the camera so much, but the moment when I got this phone, I was little bit sad that most of the apps that I've been using, like Lightroom, Snapseed, Beauty Plus, few examples, it somehow couldn't detect the favorite folder through this phone. So imagine when I snap like 50 photos and when I added some of the photos to favorite so that I could edit further, and since the apps couldn't detect this favorite folder, what I did, I need to create more folders to help me to store those photos that I selected so that I could edit further. So then it makes the folders very messy because I keep creating new folder. But for this iPhone, I'm glad that the favorite folder is finally back. Most of the apps, at least the 3 apps that I mentioned just now, it could detect the favorite folder directly, and I could just select from the favorite folder and edit just like that. So it makes my life easier, not so complicated. I do not know, maybe there are different ways that I can work around with this phone, but this was the pain that I went through for almost like 2 years, and I'm glad that the favorite folders is finally back. It's so important because obviously I love to take photos, and a lot of photos. Can you imagine? There are like 15, I'm not sure, is it 15 or 16,000 photos inside this phone, my goodness. So actually the memory is already full, and that's why just in time that I switched to this iPhone. So I'm not somebody who will always transfer the phone to my laptop. So that's why I opt for this 512 gig so that I have more space for more photos and also more apps. The third thing that I like about this iPhone 12 Pro Max is the color tone of the selfie and also the picture in general. It is more of a warm tone compared to Huawei Mate 20. It is more of pinkish, more white and more edited kind of feel. For this iPhone, I feel like it is more natural. I will show you guys the side-by-side comparison. To me, if you ask me, actually I like both. I really like both. So actually it depends on the lighting and the situation and the scenery and the lighting at that point. It will give you a different end result. So to me, really, I enjoy both. So I'm glad that now I have two. So at least sometimes I can change to this feel of a more warm tone rather than a more white and pinkish tone. So I still like both, to be honest. So it's not like I like this more than this or this more than this, but I still use this phone for the camera still. And obviously I also enjoy playing this new camera with the new warm tone, and also it's more clearer and more natural, more sharp the picture. So I still enjoy both the camera, to be honest. So love these two cameras still. The fourth thing that I like about this iPhone 12 Pro Max is of course the video stabilizer feature that was added to this phone. And obviously this Huawei Mate 20 Pro, it does not have the stabilizer for the video mode, unfortunately. So I will show you guys side by side the comparison when I took the video with this Huawei Mate 20. You can see that it's like shaking and shaking, and with this iPhone, the same angle, the same speed, the same position, this iPhone 12 Pro Max, it can just really do wonders. It is like so stable. You can feel like the video is like so smooth. Really love the stabilizer added to this phone, but obviously I believe Mate 40 would also have this feature. Also, I'm happy with this stabilizer added to me, especially I'm somebody who likes to take video, like to take photo. Camera feature, video feature, so important to me, and the space as well. And finally, the last thing that I like about this iPhone 12 Pro Max is of course the size. Okay, the size is like of course way a little bit bigger compared to my Huawei Mate 20. The size is obviously a little bit wider. So some people may have concern that this is a bit too big, too huge. Some people may have that concern, too big, too wide, too huge. But to me, I purposely opt for this Pro Max rather than just the normal iPhone 12 Pro, because I wanted it. I love the size, the screen, which is like bigger size. So easier for me to do editing, video or photo, to also surf the net, do any editing. I feel like it's easier with this bigger screen. Love it, bigger screen. Most importantly, it can also fit in my smallest bag in my collection. Let me just show you guys. Okay, there are two very small bags in my collection. I will show that to you guys. So at least this is one of it, and I'm happy that it could fit nicely and perfectly in my Gucci Super Mini. Happy. So the size doesn't matter because it could fit in my smallest bag. Another smallest bag that I have is this WOC. Obviously it can also fit perfectly, no issue at all. To me, it's not like a very big phone, not a big concern, because at least it could fit in my two smallest bag in my collection. And I don't think I will buy something that is even smaller than these two bags. So size doesn't matter, and I love this size as well. I could hold it with my palm, one palm. I could hold it. That is good enough and very easy for editing, for viewing. So love the size. That's all for the 5 things that I like about the phone after using for just 1 week. Maybe perhaps in future when I use more often, I can share more with you guys. And in the next video, I plan to share with you guys all the casings which I bought during Black Friday sale. I've just received one and there'll be more, and also the wireless charging as well as the casing for the AirPod Pro case. I will share that with you guys, do a comparison in the next video. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye guys.